morning, students. In class 7, we will start new chapter, that is punctuation and capital letters. So what is punctuation and capital letters we will discuss in this chapter. So we use stops or marks of punctuation. हम क्यों करते हैं उसको यूज़ टू सेपरेट वन सेंटेंस फ्रॉम अनदर. एक सेंटेंसेस में एक केसेस को दूसरे केसेस से अलग दिखाने के लिए, जस्ट फॉर शोइंग द डिफरेंस एंड सेपरेशन ऑफ sentences. और वन पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस फ्रॉम अनदर पार्ट मीन्स बेसिकली इसको हम सेपरेट करने के लिए, एक सेंटेंसेस को दूसरे सेंटेंसेस से या डिफरेंसेस बताने के लिए, एक पॉज लेने के लिए बेसिकली वी यूज punctuation and capital letters. So we are having 7 types of punctuations, just like full stop, commas, semicolon, colon, mark of interrogation, mark of exclamation, quotation marks or inverted commas. Fine. So we will discuss one by one today as much as we can. The first one is the full stop. So the full stop indicates the longest pause. तो हमने इसमें क्या समझना है? It indicates longest pause. Longest means my father daily goes to his office at 10 o'clock. That means हमने यहाँ पर एक long sentences finish करने के बाद we took a pause. एक long sentence लिखने के बाद आप pause का use कर रहे हैं. That means we have to use full stop in it. It is used at the end of all assertive and imperative sentences. जितने हमारे assertive sentences होते हैं, normal sentences होते हैं, उसमें हम last में use करते हैं. If I am using negative sentences, it will also end with full stop. कैसे? Mohit did not attend his online classes yesterday. नेगेटिव फॉर्मेशन है, तब भी इसमें आप फुल स्टॉप का लास्ट में यूज़ करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज़ हैविंग अ लॉन्ग सेंटेंस और उसको फिनिश करेंगे नॉर्मल फुल स्टॉप के साथ जो प्रॉपर उसका एंड बताता है. फाइन. इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर असर्टिव एंड इम्पेरेटिव ऑल्सो. इम्पेरेटिव में कैसे? In the cases of imperative, please help the needy person, don't come out in rain. Fine. Bring a glass of water. So in imperative we also use full stop. Fine. In third cases, it is used for initial or abbreviation. So what is abbreviation? Abbreviation is called in which you have to use short form of any title, any designation or any names. Fine. How? If we are using are missing occur. So in this case you have to use H S K, naming abbreviations. Fine. You can use in designation also, post also. Suppose that in the cases of doctor, so DR full stop. Clear? Just like Mr. में आप use करते हैं MR full stop. So that was basically abbreviation. और देख लेते हैं इसमें कैसे होती है. MP. In the cases of using member of parliament, you can use MP. Okay. In the cases of engineer, you use ER. Fine. So abbreviations में हम ऐसे इसको use करते हैं. The first one was basically end of a long sentence. Second one we used with abbreviations and other naming type of abbreviations. In the third case, you can use with decimal fractions also. How? You can place in this position also. In decimal fraction also you can use abbreviations and full stop also. Fine. Just like decimals के लिए भी you can use full stop. Fine. Second one, the comma. So the comma indicates the shortest pause it is used. Shortest pause लेने के लिए means आपको पूरा sentence end करने के बाद use नहीं करना. You have to use between the sentences for taking shortest pause. Fine. See how? The first one you can use to separate a series of words of the same parts of speech. Fine. Yesterday we purchased apples, mangoes, bananas and oranges because we are having a sequence of separation of words just like separate of series, like we purchased this also, that also, and those are the examples of basically comma. In other cases you can use also. Just like to set off a noun of address, just like after the noun we can also use basically commas. Mona, stop here. So you can use comma after using noun because we can use with the name of place, thing and name also. So I was saying with naming na. So finally, Raman, the intelligent boy of the class, obtained good marks. So we can use comma after the naming words. That means nouns. Fine. So in the upcoming lecture, we will continue the topic of punctuation. Thank you. Thank you so much.